Guys, Aaron here for the love of tech, and I'm so excited. I finally got it. Oh, the orange M1 iMac. This is like a day I have been looking forward to for a while. We finally have an orange iMac with the M1 chip. I'm so excited. Everyone in the office knew how excited I was about this. I've been talking about it for weeks. I can't believe I finally have it. I'm torn between leaving it here in the studio with me, with you, with us, or taking it back to the office where it's going to get the most amount of use. Without further ado, let's get into it. I'm so excited right now. I'm looking for the Apple Magic tab. I found it. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh! Okay. Oh! It's like, I don't want to unbox it because then we're done unboxing it and I don't want it to be over, but I want it. Oh. What? Whoa, whoa, okay, ooh. It's just a box. Buddy, calm down. Oh, we've got some goodies in here. Oh, the goodies. Look at that. A mouse, a cord, a brick. Oh, I am very disappointed that I'm not getting a colored keypad. I tried to order it. I contacted Apple Care, Apple Support, that's who they told me had to do it, and they couldn't deliver for me. So I'm a little upset about that. Look at this. It's like a creamsicle orange. It's more like a pink salmon than it is an orange. But I'm still pretty excited about it. Here we go. We've got this and that, and a little mousy mouse. I think that's everything. This. Oh, so maybe I opened it wrong, but I got it out regardless. Who cares? I know for next time. So this box is phenomenal. This is it, guys. This isn't even like an unboxing. This is just Aaron being a freaking out Apple fanboy right now. Two orange Apple stickers. Oh, Apple. So remember, Apple pays attention to little details. They're not the only ones that pay attention to little details. There's a lot of great companies out there right now that are paying very close attention to details and are doing a great job. Apple is just in the spotlight all the time, and it's easy to give them praise. So here's this. Slightly disappointed that it's not orange. I will say that right now. This should have been orange, and it wasn't. We've got our cool, it's so easy to open this stuff. So this is a USB-C to lightning cord, most likely to charge our mouse and to connect our keypad. This is the charging brick, which also doubles as an Ethernet plug, which is pretty cool. Let's go ahead and take a look at this, because this has me intrigued. This is very new. This is even new and a little wild for Apple as far as I'm concerned. So we have our charging brick, which goes in right here. Easy peasy. And then we have the Ethernet, which goes in right there. So if you want to go ahead, which I will be plugging in my Ethernet, and hopefully it's gigabyte speeds and it doesn't throttle us down. Look at this. Ooh. Now, for all you out there, I know that it's possible that if you wanted to, you could create a little home right there to plug this into right there. So when we used it, if it had to charge, it could be wired and we could still use it. But this is the most inconvenient thing in the world. It's the equivalent of the Apple Pencil plugging in and charging through a lightning port on your iPad. So here it is without further ado, and we are now going to reveal the main event. Okay, oh, Apple really has pushed the unboxing experience for us. Hello. Gosh, I feel like I want to save this somewhere. keyboard must be working. We are working on getting everything set up, and I wanted to share this experience with you guys. And we're going to set up Touch ID on a keyboard. Now, they have this on the MacBook Pro, so this should be easy peasy. Touch ID's ready to use. Dark. Oh, we want dark mode. This thing is thin. This is crazy impressive what they're doing here. And the screen it's the perfect size. It's not bad at all. The 27-inch is nice, but it's big. This is 24 and it's phenomenal. It is perfect. This is like exactly what we need. I want to go ahead and fly open the FaceTime, and I want to test out, oh my gosh. Oh, you seeing all the stuff back there. This is such a better webcam. I'm gonna tell you right now. Oh, I'm already getting messages. iMessages. Whenever I do anything on an iMac or even my MacBook Pro and it has to do with video conferencing, I either have my camera plugged in, my DSLR, or I use an external Logitech 4K webcam, because the built-in webcams on the Apples are absolutely horrible. It looks gross. So here it is. First look, first impressions. iMac M1 2021. Goodness. So let's come over here and let's just take a quick little test drive about this. So this is a 24-inch iMac, 16 gigs of RAM, right? I beefed it up a little bit, and I also got 2 terabytes of storage. And I know what you're thinking. Why did I do 2 terabytes of storage? Well, I want to keep this for a really, really long time. I do not upgrade my computers very often. When I get a MacBook Pro, I usually stay with that computer for several years, at least 2 to 3. It's not like a phone that I'm upgrading and changing every 2 to 3, 4 months. Whereas my computers, I like to keep for as long as I possibly can. Guys, thanks for watching my unboxing. I don't know if this is like a true unboxing. It's definitely not a review video, but I have been waiting for this to come in. I'm just super excited. It's completely beautiful. The build quality is like nothing I've ever seen before, but it is exactly what I would expect from Apple. Guys, thanks for watching the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Let's have a conversation. And if you really like my content and you want to pay me the ultimate creator compliment, share my videos with your friends and family on social media. For the love of tech, namaste.